Envisioning the future of your dealership. Imagine a car dealership. It's chaotic. Customers are frustrated. Salespeople are overwhelmed. Paperwork is everywhere. This is the as-is process. It's inefficient. It needs to change. But how? By envisioning the to-be process. This is where we step into the future. We imagine a streamlined dealership, happy customers, productive salespeople, seamless transactions. This essay will guide you through the steps to define your dealership's to-be process. We'll use a CRM IT project as an example. Get ready to transform your business. Step 1. Aligning with business objectives. The why behind the change. Before we dive into the how, let's start with the why. Why are we changing the process? What are we trying to achieve? The answer lies in your business objectives. These are the goals that drive your dealership's success. Do you want to increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, reduce costs? Once you know your why, you can start to align your to-be process with these objectives. This ensures that every change you make is purposeful and contributes to your overall goals. For instance, if your goal is to improve customer satisfaction, your to-be process should focus on enhancing customer interactions and experiences. Step 2. Setting the targets. Defining key performance indicators, or KPIs. Now that you know your why, you need to define how you'll measure success. KPIs are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively you are achieving key business objectives. They track progress, identify areas for improvement, and show the value of your CRM project. For our car dealership, relevant KPIs could include increased sales. Measure the percentage increase in car sales after implementing the CRM system. Improved customer satisfaction. Track customer satisfaction scores through surveys or feedback forms. Reduced cycle times. Monitor the time it takes from a customer's initial inquiry to the final sale. Step 3. Workshops, brainstorming, and innovation. The power of collective vision. With clear objectives and KPIs in place, it's time to get creative. This is where brainstorming and innovation come into play. Assemble a team of stakeholders from different departments within your dealership. This could include salespeople, service advisors, managers, and IT staff. Encourage everyone to share their ideas and perspectives on how to improve the customer journey. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and leverage technology to your advantage. For instance, could you automate data entry tasks to free up your salespeople's time? Could you implement AI chatbots to provide instant customer support? The goal is to explore all possibilities and identify solutions that align with your business objectives and KPIs. Step 4. Designing the to-be process using tools such as Microsoft Visio or Lucidchart, a blueprint for success. Now it's time to translate your brainstorming ideas into a tangible plan. This is where you design the to-be process. This involves creating a visual representation of the future state of your dealership's operations. Process maps and flowcharts are invaluable tools for this purpose. They provide a clear and concise way to illustrate the steps involved in each customer interaction. For example, your to-be process map might show how customer information is centralized in the CRM system, how tasks are automated, and how real-time analytics provide insights to improve decision-making. By visualizing the to-be process, you can identify potential bottlenecks, streamline operations, and ensure a seamless customer experience. Step 5. Stakeholder review and refinement, incorporating diverse perspectives. Get feedback from your stakeholders on the draft to-be process. Include the brainstorming team and impacted employees. Share the process map and explain each step. Encourage questions, concerns, and suggestions. This ensures alignment with stakeholder needs. Address potential issues before implementation. Step 6. Technical review for feasibility. Bridging the gap between vision and reality. Dream big, but ensure your to-be process is technically feasible. Involve your IT experts. They assess technical requirements and identify roadblocks. Check if your CRM system supports desired functionalities. Provide insights into costs and timelines. Ensure your vision is grounded in reality. Step 7. Validation. Ensuring accuracy and completeness. Before finalizing the to-be process, it's crucial to conduct a thorough review to ensure its accuracy and completeness. This involves carefully examining each step in the process map, verifying that the logic is sound, and confirming that no critical steps have been omitted. Walk through the process from start to finish, imagining yourself as a customer interacting with your dealership. Ask yourself, does the process flow smoothly? Are there any potential points of confusion or frustration for the customer? Are all necessary data points being captured? This validation step helps to identify and rectify any errors or omissions before the to-be process is implemented. Step 8. Documentation and change management. Keeping your process agile. Once the to-be process has been validated, it's essential to document it thoroughly. This documentation serves as a single source of truth for all stakeholders and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Use clear and concise language to describe each step in the process, including the roles and responsibilities of each stakeholder involved. It's also essential to establish a system for managing changes to the to-be process over time. As your business evolves and new technologies emerge, you'll need to adapt your processes to stay ahead of the curve. Use version control to track changes to the process map and keep a record of all modifications. Step 9. Finalization and preparation for implementation. With the to-be process thoroughly documented and a change management system in place, you're ready to finalize and prepare for implementation. Review the process map one last time with key stakeholders to ensure everyone is aligned. Communicate the finalized to-be process to all employees who will be impacted by the changes. Provide training and support to help them understand the new process and their roles within it. Conclusion: embracing change and driving business growth. Defining the to-be process is not about replicating the past. It's about envisioning a future where your car dealership thrives. By aligning with business objectives, leveraging technology, and embracing a customer-centric approach, you can create a to-be process that streamlines operations, enhances customer satisfaction, and drives business growth.